Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ben's Kitchen, where today I am making pistachio gelato. So first it's just making the base, which is right here is 1 3/4 cup of whole milk and 1/3 cup of sugar. And then here I have 1/4 cup of milk with just 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and that's kind of what's going to thicken it. So first I'm going to bring this almost to a boil, and then I'm going to add in this corn mixture slurry and cook that for 3 more minutes, and that's going to thicken just a little bit. It shouldn't thicken that much. So yeah, once that's all done, or once this is almost to a boil, I'll show you when I mix this in. So it's almost to a boil, and so now I'm going to add in this cornstarch slurry and make sure that's just all mixed in thoroughly. And now I'm going to simmer this for 3 minutes. There's a little timer. And start. Great. So yeah, this will just simmer for 3 minutes, and then it should be ready to go inside. It's already thickening a little bit. Go into the little container I have waiting for it right there. Just say cool, and then I'll make the pistachio paste. So I'm just whisking constantly to make sure that nothing sticks to the bottom and that the cornstarch doesn't kind of form clumps. This will just make sure that the gelato is really smooth. I will also run this through a sieve before adding the pistachio paste. So there's the gelato base. Now while that cools, I'm going to start making this. And so this is just pistachios that I'm gonna pulse. The recipe calls for peeling all of these. I really don't want to do that. I don't think it's gonna matter that much. It may just affect the color a little bit. So basically I'm gonna pulse these until they're finely ground, and then I'm gonna add in 5 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I may need more olive oil, but I'll start with that. And this is 8 ounces by weight of pistachios, which is half a pound. So there are the pistachios finely ground, and now I'm going to add in the 5 tablespoons of sugar, which I have right over here. So that's just going to go right in. And then the tablespoon of olive oil. Now it's really important to use extra virgin olive oil here because it's delicious. Yeah, I mean, you can actually use any oil, but it's delicious. If you have pistachio oil for some reason, that'd be even better. So now I'm just gonna blend these all together until it forms like almost a liquidy paste. And so this could take up to 15 minutes actually to blend all together and form that really smooth paste. Da-da, 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 da-da. All right, that's exactly what we're looking for. So as you can see, it's like basically liquid, and that's kind of what we want from this paste. So I'm gonna turn it off. And that did not take 10 minutes. And so I'm going to be using, I think, 7 ounces of this by weight in the gelato base. And so I'm just going to let the gelato base cool a little bit, and then I'll add this right in. So yeah, I'm going to want 200 grams of this in the base. And so I'm just going to do this until I reach 200 grams. And I'll show you when that's all done. Then I'll mix it together. So there we go. We have 200 grams of the pistachio paste in it, freshly made, delicious. So yeah, now I'm just gonna mix this together. I'm kind of interested to see what color it's gonna make. Never made this before. This could turn out terrible, honestly, but you won't know because you don't get to eat it. Oh man. Oh, yep, 200. Oh, 199. 200. Okay, that's close enough. So there it is. That's the base. Now I'm just gonna chill this overnight. And make sure it's really cold, and then I will process it in the ice cream maker I have. So yeah, I'm excited. Tomorrow I'll add just a few drops of lemon juice. Hey everyone, so it's the next day, and this is now chilled. I've added like 7 drops of lemon juice, and now I'm gonna process it in this. So I just get started, and then I'm just gonna pour it right through there. And then I'll put that in too, but I need both hands for that. So there it is. I'll just process it until it's all frozen. All right, so it's now done. As you can see, it's like hardened a lot. So this is now about the consistency of soft serve. You can eat it now, but I prefer like normal ice cream. And so I'm just gonna scoop this out into the container that I just washed out. and freeze it. And I'll show you later when it's all done. Hey everyone, so I scooped up some. As you can see, it has a nice texture. The cool thing about gelato is that because it doesn't have any cream or eggs in it, it actually melts faster, and so you can taste it faster on the tongue, which is like kind of what makes it different than ice cream. It usually has less sugar and less fat in it, so I guess this is actually just healthy. So I'm gonna eat the whole thing all at once. Yeah, this is actually what I'm saving aside. That's my bowl. Just kidding. Yeah. Okay. I guess thanks for watching Ben's Kitchen, and happy baking.